Hello there. Are your hot leads slipping through the cracks because support system aren't reaching the right sales representative? In just 5 minutes, you will learn how to automatically send new support ticket details straight to your Telegram so your sales team can jump on a lead the second they arrive. Here, our game plan. First, we will set up how AutoAppy watches your Google Sheet for a new ticket. Second, we will tell it exactly what information to grab. And third, we will connect it to the Telegram to send that alert. Simple. Let's dive in. AutoAppy. Think of it as your digital assistant. For building amazing automated workflows, no coding required, it's perfect for connecting your favorite apps. Our first step is to telling AutoAppy to keep an eye on your support ticket system. We will connect it to your Google Sheet where new ticket land. So, before creating this automation, let me just give you a short intro about AutoAppy website. So, here you can find this is the landing page of AutoAppy. If you scroll down, you can find we integrated list of application, so you can use this application to build a powerful automation workflows. Followed by there is a section called setup your automation where you can find a ready to used template, so you can directly use this template and inject this template into your businesses. Now let's create the workflow by simply typing the workflow. Okay, before that, make sure you created your account and log in yourself. I already logged in myself, so let me just create the workflow by simply tapping on the workflow. And yes, this is the automation dashboard where you are able to manage and monitor your workflows. So here you can find there is a workflow name where you can filter them on the basis of their status, task executed, last day modified, and on the basis of their action also. Now let's just create the workflow by simply add the workflow and give it a name, support ticket added. So, and click the save button. Now you can find there is a list of application appeared here. So we are going to simply select our trigger application, which is Google Sheet. Just select the trigger application, and the event we are going to select is new row added or updated. Just select this one and add a first application. So now you can see we successfully add Google Sheet into our canvas. Now the hamburger menu, you can find we have to set up our webhook URL here itself. So just go through your Google Sheet where you want to create this. I already made this Google Sheet. So I already created the Google Sheet. I'm going to use this Google Sheet. Now just copy the webhook URL, and you can find we provide instruction how to set up this webhook URL. Where simply copy the webhook URL, come to your Google Sheet, and in the extension search for the AutoAppy webhook. Here you can find the webhook URL. Here you can find the extension. You have to simply install this webhook. You have to simply install this extension. I already did, so let's just close this one. And after installation of AutoAppy webhook, you can find there is a setup webhook. You can find there is a setup workflow. Just select this one. So here you can find our sheet ID. So here you can find our sheet name, which is support ticket added. Now select the column where after completing these details it will go into hit. So I'll select the column J, and the name of the column is notes, and paste your webhook URL. Now just select the event type which you want. I'm going to use text enter. So you can see we successfully save and set up the trigger. Now now our trigger setup is successfully done. Close this one. Now it's time to check it. By simply tapping the start capturing sample data and write down the name of the details. So as soon as I paste the so so as soon as I write the data into the nodes, it will be going to hit into my application which is in the auto app itself. So just paste it here and let's check it. Check the status. Yes, here you can find all the data with respect to their name, email ID. We just got the data. So we successfully add our trigger application which is Google Sheet itself. Now here is the part most people struggling with knowing what data to pass along, but by selecting these key pieces we make sure you the grand final. Sending the alert to Telegram will connect to your Telegram account. Now just tap the plus application and search for the Telegram. Select the Telegram and search for the messages. The action event which I'm going to select is send Telegram message. Select this one, add the node, yes, and create the new connection. Here it is going to demanding for the API key. What we have to do, we have to just log in ourselves into the Telegram, search for the bot further and demand for the API key by creating a new bot. After creating a new bot, we just have to give it the name which is so it successfully gave the API key. Just copy this API key, come to your auto API and paste it here itself and submit the data. Okay, now it is going to demanding for the chat ID and message text. So we for so before giving the chat ID, we have to add this bot into the so before giving the chat ID, we have to give this we have so before giving the chat ID, we have to add this bot into our group, which is in this group, and give them access to send the messages. I'll do it with the help of my cell phone. So you can see we successfully add our bot into the group. Now we are able to use this chat id. Just copy the chat id and paste it here. Now you have to just give the now what we have to do, we have to just map the data from our previous node. So we are simply just erase this one and add the mapping data and select data from our previous node, which is name itself, and save it. Cut from here. So we successfully add the message. Now you can see how easy it was. No complicated code, just drag and drop. Logic that makes your sales process lightning fast. This is the power of no code automation. So no more missed opportunity. You just have to just test this node. You just have to test this node and come to your group. Here you can find the details with their name, email ID and issue. So no more missed opportunities. You have just seen how instantly notify your you have just seen how instantly notify your team about a new support tickets directly to Telegram. So this is the way we are going to this is the way you can supercharge your lead response time. Hit that subscribe button that use the link. So this is the way you can supercharge your lead response time. To more now, if you find this video useful, just make sure you share this video, hit the subscribe button and use the link in the description below to start building your automation with AutoAPI. If you find these videos, if you want more, so if you found this video very useful, just make sure you share these videos and hit the subscribe button that use the and hit that subscribe button to find out more practical videos about the automation, and use the link in the description below to start building your own automations with AutoAPI. Go get those leads. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching.